Welcome to our tutorial on handling SSL certificates in Python's requests library. SSL verification is essential for secure communication, but there are scenarios where you might need to disable it. Today, we'll explore how to manage SSL verification using Python's requests library. Let's get started. First, let's ensure we have the necessary packages installed. We'll be using the requests library, which you can install using pip if you haven't already. Let's start by making a simple GET request to a website with SSL verification enabled. This is the default behavior in the requests library. In some cases, you might encounter SSL errors, especially with self-signed certificates or expired certificates. You can disable SSL verification in the requests library by setting the verify parameter to false. When you disable SSL verification, Python's requests library will issue an insecure request warning. You can suppress these warnings if necessary, but be aware of the security risks. Disabling SSL verification might lead to potential errors if the certificate is invalid. Let's see how you can catch and handle these SSL errors. As verification is disabled, the catch mechanism is not triggered. While disabling SSL verification can be useful in certain situations, it's important to understand the security implications. Always prefer secure connections whenever possible, validate SSL certificates in production environments, and use custom certificate bundles for internal services. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our blog for more tutorials and insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos about web scraping and data science. As always, you can find a link to a full article in the description. And remember always to use proxies.